Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. This is my portfolio and lifestyle trading update for August 2021. Before we begin, I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This content is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Now let's get into the video. So you can see from the dashboard that August was a very good month. Right here. So August started the month with $27,500 and we cleared a profit of $3,842.63. Now this is total profit, and with this lifestyle trading I'm dividing my profits into two sections. One is the personal profit, which you see here, $3,072.81, and then also the lifestyle trading portion of my account. And the way that I set up my trade log is I have another section down here in yellow. And for August, I started my lifestyle trading account with about $6,800, $6,900, and that represents 20% of my total portfolio value. So the 27.5 of my starting balance, and then this about 6,900 added together. The 6,900 represents about 20%. So whatever total profit I make, highlighted up here in the green line, 20% of that is actually going to be set aside for my lifestyle trading goal. And you can see $769.82 is what we made for lifestyle trading. Now, the goal was only $413, but we made $769. So we almost made twice as much as we actually were going for, which is really good. We're going for 6% per month. You can see that we made just over 11% for the month. So what is this lifestyle trading? If you're not familiar with it, there is a playlist on the channel that talks about the plan overview of lifestyle trading, and also there are updates. So I have my July update, and of course this is the August update. And in both cases, we hit over 6%. Therefore, we made our goal for lifestyle trading. Now let's jump over to the lifestyle trading calculator, and I'll show you where this money is actually going. All right, so here in the calculator, a lifestyle trading, the overall idea is you purchase a liability, which the purchase loan is purchasing that liability. In this example, it's going to be the payoff for the LASIK treatment that I had back in May. And to make the payments for the purchase loan, I can either take them out of my personal bank account, which I had been doing for the first 2 months, but I really don't want to. So I came up with this idea, and that is take out a second loan, which I'm referring to as the trading loan, and then using that to trade the wheel strategy, which is selling puts and selling calls, taking that income to pay off the monthly payments for the purchase loan. And then at the end of that purchase loan, then I will pay off the trading loan. And then any leftover is going to come out of my personal budget. The overall idea is that I would be able to pay off this LASIK debt that I have at a fraction of the cost than if I didn't do this particular strategy. So a full breakdown of this plan is in that playlist. So if you want more information about that, I highly suggest that you check that out. So you can see that we're in our third month of this plan, and we have a remaining balance of about $2,920. We made this month's payment, and we also got that payment from the profit that we made by trading the wheel. Remember, the profit was $769.82. So I took, of that $769.82, I took out $365 to make the payment, transferred that to my bank account, and then from the bank account it went right to paying off this purchase loan payment. And then I took out an additional $41, which covers the tithe of the amount that I took out. Now, obviously, the tithe is not 10% of what I profited, but I only took out the tithe based on how much I transferred out of my broker account into my bank account. So that left $363.82 left over, and I'm going to sum all of this extra income or all of this extra profit and then use that to pay off maybe the last month of the purchase loan, or use it to pay off the interest at the trading loan close. So overall, positive on the personal portfolio, positive on the lifestyle trading portfolio, and we almost doubled our goal. So a great month, and at the end of next month, I hope to be able to give you another positive report. So if you have any questions about this topic, just leave a comment down below and I'll answer it as quickly as possible. In the meantime, if you want to learn more about the wheel strategy and view my progress on how I'm using it for lifestyle trading, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you can catch all the updates. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.